Hi everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to share content on StackSpot AI. Shall we get started? First, let's access the StackSpot AI Portal and log in with your credentials. After logging in, go to the item you want to share. It could be knowledge, sources, Stack AI, or quick commands. Let's start by sharing a quick command. Let's go to the quick command section, choose one to share, and click the share button. There are two sharing options. To share with specific users, just add the user's email address and specify whether they can edit or only view the content. If you have admin permissions, you can publish the content to your organization's account so everyone will have access to it. After setting up the sharing option, click on the Save button. If you need to, you can revoke user access to the content. In the tab Share with Users, select the user and click the Remove Access button. Now let's see how to use the shared content on the StackSpot AI Portal. Access the StackSpot AI Portal again, and now let's go to the Knowledge Source section, but it could also be Quick Commands or Stacks AI. In the Shared tab, you can access content shared with you by other people. To use the shared content in your IDE, just access it and click on the StackSpot AI extension. Here you can select the content shared with you. Additionally, you can check the contents you have created in the Personal section and in the Account section, the contents that are available to you. And that's it. Now you know how to share and use shared content on StackSpot AI. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.